When the dreariness of winter comes, some days you wonder if you can go on. Step outside and look to the sky. There is somewhere a shred of light, a light that lives inside you too, your constant guide to see you through. On the days you try to wonder why you're on this earth, place your gaze to the sky. Look up. Let that lead you along. You're here to feel. Let darkness be gone. Remember the moments that gave you ease. Let nature hold you and remind you of peace.